Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert images into Google Calendar event. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Create a new event or click an existing one. Click More Options to expand the event settings. In the description box, click the Google Drive icon. Choose an image from your drive. If it's not uploaded yet, drag and drop it or click New File Upload. Once your image is attached, click Save. Now your image is included in the event. Anyone you invite will see it when they open the event details. And that's it. That's how to insert image into Google Calendar event. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.